Today I'm cooking clay pot vegetable with tofu. It is simple to cook and really delicious with rice. It's perfect as is or as a vegetable dish. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. Let's start off with making the flour slurry to thicken the gravy. Add 50 ml of water into 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour and mix until the flour has dissolved completely. Leave aside. Next, mix the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce into 300 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir to mix until all the seasoning are well dissolved and combined with water. Leave aside. Place a clay pot on the stove. Switch on the heat and let it warm up for 2 minutes. The clay pot needs time to heat up completely. After 2 minutes, I can feel the heat as I hover my palm slightly above to test it. Add 50 ml of cooking oil and 30 grams of minced garlic. Stir fry and cook for 1.5 minutes or until fragrant and golden brown. After 1 minute, the garlic is crispy and golden brown. Remove it with the oil and place it in a heat-resistant bowl. Leave it aside. Reduce the heat to low. Spread the cut and washed mixed vegetable evenly in the pot. 70 grams of carrot sliced. 70 grams of green pea, tips and string removed, 110 grams of shiitake mushroom, 90 grams of baby corn, 85 grams of tomato cut into wedges, 180 grams of cut Chinese cabbage, 110 grams of white chimaji mushroom, washed, and 100 grams of fried tofu. Place them on the top of all the vegetable. Next, pour the seasoning mix sauce all over the vegetable. This looks like it is too much, but don't worry, as it will soften once cooked. It will be just perfect for the clay pot. Cover the clay pot. Raise the heat to high and braise it for 8 minutes. The vegetables in this dish should be soft and very tender. That's why we cook them for a long time. After 8 minutes, open the cover carefully with heat-resistant glove or wet towel. Look, the gravy is boiling vigorously as it is really hot and the vegetable should be cooked but not soft enough. Stir to rotate the vegetable all around to cook them evenly. Cover the pot and continue to braise for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, open the cover. Oh wow, it's boiling hot, which is perfect. All the vegetable and tofu are cooked and soft. At this stage, you can give it a taste after cooling down and add more seasoning if preferred. For me, I am skipping tasting it as the gravy is too hot. Pour the flour slurry all around the pot and stir to mix quickly to thicken the gravy. Oh wow, this looks so yummy with thickened gravy. Alright, switch off the heat. The food inside the pot is still bubbling as the pot retains the strong heat. Top with the crispy garlic in oil. Adding oil is optional. It adds glossy look for the thickened gravy and is very fragrant. Alright, that's all for our lovely clay pot vegetable with tofu. Serve hot for maximum flavor. Open the pot and stir a little to evenly distribute the crispy garlic and garlic oil. Let's eat! Wow, it's really delicious. The vegetables are soft and tender, sweetening the dish so well. The gravy is smooth and very fragrant. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!